Hey YouTube, hey YouTube, hey. I am back with you guys with another video. This is a video that I told you in my last showing that I had another bag like this, a Coach bag. So right now I am just, excuse my dog, y'all. I'm showing y'all my new bag, and yeah, it's in a color. So when I started looking into designer or more expensive brands than just like the regular TJ Maxx and all that, is I wanted something that basically start with kind of like the base but not basic. So I got a black bag, and this is more of a cream like bag because I didn't want to start like color and do too much. So I think I should start off with the basics. I saw my last Coach bag, and I got another Coach bag that I told y'all in the video that I did get before that one. It came a little bit before because my other Coach bag I actually went into dealers and got this one. I ordered from the actual website. It took about a week to get here. About a week. They usually have their sale like 50% off, 60% off. So I got it for a good deal. So let me show y'all the bag. The bag is the Kleo bag. This is the, I think the 18, the bigger one. I think the 18th or the 20. This is the bigger one. This is leather. I paid about 170 for the bag. The retail price of the bag is $450, and it is the, I'm gonna read it. It's the leather Chloe shoulder bag in 23. So yeah, it's in the color chalk. It's the color. So this bag, to start off, is the magnetic bag. So it's pretty sturdy. Got Coach logo right here, and it's chalk with gold detailing on it. And when you open up the bag, it's suede. It comes with stuffing in it, so stuff it out. Come with this, and it didn't come with a dust bag and on it. Just came in a represented box. And this is the inside of it. It has a back pocket. I don't know if y'all can see it. This is the back pocket right here. And inside the back pocket is some cards. That's pretty. You don't got no zip up department in here. Just got the back pocket. But it does have another part of the bag. It's the front end of it. And take the paper out of this. And it goes in there, and this is big, definitely bigger than my soft tabby. And then on the back it has a zipper department of it. It has more paper in there. This bag does have two straps. A short strap, you can wear it short, or the longer strap, crossbody. It has the Coach tab on it as well. It's good silver. I like the silver. Hardware is good. You can take, like I said, you can move both parts of it if you want to. For my other one, and probably this one, but this one don't really go too much with this one because it's different kind of gold. But I did buy this from Amazon, so you can buy attachment and of course attach them and do this. So I may need to get another lighter color, or I probably can play it off. Probably could play it off. It is a little darker, that's all. But yeah, this is the bag. Like I say, the hardware and everything is on it, so it's clap post like that. So, and what fits in it is, I'm sure everything fits in it because, like I said, this is bigger than my soft tabby. So I can fit my cell phone, which I on my cell phone right now, I'm recording this, so I can fit pretty much in there. So I may do another video, a separate video of what fits in this bag because I am still using my other bag and it's all the way in there. So yeah, this is pretty much the bag. Sturdy, good quality. The front pocket, it does, like I say, it can stretch out a little bit because it got this, so it can pull out a little bit, but I don't want to do all that. And I'm sure my phone can fit in my back pocket. In my shoulder bag, my soft tabby, it won't fit, but this one I know it will fit 9 out of 10. But yeah, I will come and do an updated video, another video of this bag as far as what fits in it. But I just want to show you guys the actual bag. I love the coloring. It's great. I don't think it would transfer colors or anything because I don't really wear like stuff like that anyway that would transfer. Everything that I have is standard. It's not really transferable, bead or anything on it. But this is a good bag. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. Again, this is the Kleo 23 leather and color chalk bag.
Yeah.